Now that we've got that taken care of, we can focus on this area that's packed full of debris. When you see bubbles like that, that means we have fluid up underneath this sole. So let's keep working. Now you can get a much clearer view of exactly what we're dealing with here. We've got an area of digital dermatitis up inside that pocket. We need to get this all cleaned out and treated to get her walking back to normal. The next key step in this process is to get all this overhanging horn removed so that we can get our treatment exactly where it needs to be. Even now, you can see there's still some debris there. We've got a small little stone right here. But in short order, we'll have this all cleaned up.